Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you on how to buy voucher using Capitec app. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is to go to the sign in. When you're done signing in with your account on Capitec app, and then you're going to go to the buy voucher. As you can see here, there's a buy voucher, then you're going to click on it. And then as you can see, we have a different vouchers that you want to buy, but if you want to buy for Hollywood or for Betway or Sporting Bet or Lotto Star, you can buy an OTT voucher. Then you can choose any amount that you want, or you can buy a blue voucher. I always buy a blue voucher. Then you're going to click the amount of voucher that you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy a 10 Rand one. Then I'm going to buy 10 Rand. So now I'm going to press buy. And I'm going to confirm payment. As you can see, this voucher has been bought. I'm not going to load this voucher on my Hollywood account because I don't have it. So whoever's going to see it first, good luck. Here's the 10 Rand voucher. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more free vouchers.